started repelling out of Huey helicopters with an M16. What's up, you guys? It's Ray from Air Ride Equipment, and we're here today with a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Now, this Toyota Sienna, we did one of our bag over pre-existing coilover kits, meaning that the customer came in with a regular Megan coilover, and we have billet brackets that are thread pitch matched to make it essentially a one piece, and then a billet bracket at the top that goes right to your original top hat. We're also doing a standalone rear on this. We're going to show you that outside in the shop today. Also paired with an airlift 3P, dual pack of compressors, the whole 9 yards. Let me show you what's up. Ooh, perfect.
Y'all write fiction, M-chip all prescription. My guy's different, I ain't no time to listen. Money calling, pick a switch to mission. Money calling, my ringtone of riches. Cell phone paid for, it's out now. AMA's logo on the belt now. Pop price suited with them tucked up. Rubber band 100s in my left hand. Wait for talking dirty to the best man. Someone call a hubby, he's no. I ain't got the time to taste a hole. Right and turn the glitter into gold.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. What else? If you want to buy this kit, the exact kit that you just saw, click the link below. See you guys next time.